Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me.
Good job, Nick. Nice job, Lauren.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Ah, damn it. What did you guys get?
A.
A.
94.
I got an F.
How?
Let me see. I see the problem here. Your sources are totally unreliable. Wikipedia, Ask.com. You need to learn how to find a scholarly source.
Come on, let's go to the library.
This is Bird Library, my home away from home. Have you ever been here?
This is a library?
Why don't you come on in? We'll show you around.
Isn't it marvelous?
Wow, it's so cool.
Did you even have your stuff?
Oh, here it is.
Whoa!
Great, let's go this way.
Here on the second floor is where you can find magazines, journals, and periodicals.
Guys, look at all these sources. So many sources.
The library also offers a wealth of information in its numerous online databases.
All you have to do is go to library.syr.edu.
Alright, let's check it out, bro.
No, go on the library.syr.edu website. Click on Databases. Click on Business and Management. The most important part of writing a good essay is having credible sources.
And if you need anything else from the library, you can always just go to the Whitman Specific Librarian.
Oh, she sounds chill.
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling.
Alright. Here we go.
Thanks, David.
Get pitted, brah. Sharky. Oh yeah, let's get shacked.
All you gotta do is go to the library. All you gotta do is go to library.
The library also
If you need anything else from the library,
That was quick.
Oh, it's
Who
definitely
wants to say the
Even they're finding sources for their project on sources.
Do you think
Alright.
Let's go to the library.